my name is Camila and today I'm going to show you how to make some chili crisp. This is my version inspired by the classic chili oil with crispy bits called La Gamma. I'm pretty sure I'm saying this wrong, but it's fine. And you can change it to fit your own beautiful taste. This is what you'll need. Some chili flakes, vegetable oil, onions and shallots, I use 3 of each, garlic, and some seasoning. You can see everything I used in the description below. So let's start. To begin, we'll peel everything and chop it all up as thin and evenly as you can. You can use a mandolin, a knife, or a food processor. Now put your shallots and onions in a cold deep pan. Cover them with oil and turn the heat on high. In the meantime, get yourself a metal strainer. Please don't use plastic or it will melt, and a bowl. When the onions and shallots turn golden brown, you need to strain them super fast, otherwise they will burn. It can take a while, so keep your eye on it. While you wait, you can train your cat. When it looks good, strain it. Use the oil to fry the garlic. This will be quicker. Now put the chili flakes in the bottom of the bowl and strain the hot oil on top. Now you can season the crispy bits any way you like. In mine I put salt, MSG, sugar, mushroom powder, some cumin, and a pinch of cinnamon. This is what will give your chili crisp some personality. Side note, as you can see, I put a paper towel to drain the excess oil, so the crisp can cool and get super crispy. When the oil with the chili flakes is cool, mix everything well and store. I like to put mine in a random jar. Now, you will enjoy putting this in every single meal you eat because it's just too delicious not to do so. And I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye.
Zé, quem é lindo?